Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make veg soup spicy. First, ensure your soup has a robust foundation with aromatic vegetables like onions and garlic. Next, select your desired level of heat, considering options like fresh chilies or dried spices. Remember to add your chosen spices strategically during the cooking process to maximize their flavor and potency. This approach ensures a perfectly balanced and deliciously spicy soup every time. When selecting your heat source, fresh chilies are excellent for a vibrant, immediate spice. Consider jalapenos for mild heat or serranos for more intensity. Dried chili flakes, like red pepper flakes, or powders such as cayenne, deliver a more consistent and often stronger heat throughout the soup. Don't forget that ingredients like fresh ginger and freshly ground black pepper can also contribute a lovely, warming sensation without overwhelming the other flavors. Timing is crucial for optimal spice flavor. For whole spices like cumin seeds or star anise, sauté them briefly in a little oil at the beginning to bloom their flavors. Ground spices, such as turmeric or coriander, are best added with your liquids to prevent them from burning and becoming bitter. Fresh chilies can be incorporated early for a deeper infusion or later for a fresher, more pronounced heat. Experiment to find your perfect balance. To truly master spicy soup, focus on balancing the flavors. A squeeze of fresh lime juice or a splash of vinegar can brighten the overall taste and enhance the spicy notes. Adding a touch of sweetness, perhaps from roasted carrots or a small amount of sugar, helps to mellow and round out the heat. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Adjust seasonings gradually until your soup reaches delicious perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.